In this video, we'll be looking at recursion relations as well as time series. Recursion relations are basically just sequences in equation form. There are three main things we need to look at in this. We're generally denoted by VO, which is our first term, Vn is the current term, and Vn plus 1 is our next term. These are the key proponents of our normal equations. Within our recursion equations, when we add or subtract, these equations are called arithmetic sequences, and when we divide or multiply, we're looking at geometric sequences. The rules change depending on whether a sequence is arithmetic or geometric, so make sure you're looking at the different rules for these. For time series, these are basically scatter plots that are just connected by lines. On our x-axis for time series, we have time, and we need to make sure that we don't display this as years or anything like that. We need to make sure we're changing it to what's called quarter numbers. Basically, you just assign a year a regular number, so 2006, 2007, 2008 will be changed to 1, 2, and 3. This makes creating regression lines a lot easier and takes the hassle away tons. There are 4 key features of time series. The first one being seasonality, okay? These are regular cycles within a calendar year, denoting the seasons of the year generally, but it can be within months. Cycles are the next one. Cycles always occur outside of a year, so make sure if you're saying that a cyclical pattern occurs within a time series, that's over a number of years. Structural change also occurs. This is where there's a noted change in the regular pattern of the time series, and that change is continued a long time. There are, of course, outliers, but that's not really a key feature, but if there are outliers, make sure you note them. And the final one is irregular fluctuations, and this is any change from the normal pattern whatsoever. So unless you have a perfectly straight line, you've got irregular fluctuations, and make sure that you talk about them. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.